guys, it's me Demetri here, and today I have something to tell you. I'm doing a collaboration. Now, you may be asking, Demetri, who are you collaborating? Well, I am collaborating with RJ Mercado. Now, if you don't know who is RJ Mercado, he is a YouTuber who only has 35 subscribers. 7 subscribers and 35 videos. And the reason why I'm collaborating with him is not because he has the least subscribers, but because he is my classmate. Yep, you heard me. He's my classmate. So, the total reason why I'm collaborating with him is because there is a parade in Anderson Elementary School. So, Aling Jazz, if you're watching this, see you on August 28 and 29.